Hello, and welcome to day 4, Thursday, January 7th. It is writing test day, so we will be doing that today. But first, let's see what you have to do for async. You'll watch this video, then you'll click async. You have 3 activities in async. First activity is a discussion post about questions and negatives. So you will take each of these group of words and you'll create a question and a negative. For example, here are the group of words. The teacher grade our assignments quickly. First, you must turn these group of words into a question. Does the teacher grade our assignments quickly? Then you take the same group of words and you make them negative. The teacher doesn't grade our assignments quickly. And that's what you would do for each of these in the comment section. Your next sync assignment is a Kahoot on capitalization. And then after that, you have a Spark article. Hi, how may I help you? Remember to get 75% on the first try. If you have to take the Spark exam, go ahead and do that. And that's it. Good luck. For async. Just kidding, for async. So for the test, I will release everything at 7 o'clock when we have class. After you take the test, you will do a digital literacy survey. What that survey is you are self-evaluating your computer and your digital literacy skills. Okay, so after you turn in your post-test to me, you will do the digital literacy survey. And that's it for today. Good luck.